Good morning, or should I say, hungry morning. Have you ever woken up in a hotel thinking, where is the food? How do I ask for eggs? Can I take 2 croissants? Yeah, me too, especially the croissant part. Always 2. But don't worry. Today I've got you covered. We're going to follow 2 travelers, John and Anna, on a real-life English adventure. They wake up in a hotel. They look for breakfast. They deal with a broken air conditioner. They lose a suitcase, catch a taxi, and try to stay cool. In every way. And don't worry, I'll be right here the whole time, explaining every word, every sentence, and even throwing in a few jokes. So, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to order your dream breakfast like a pro, politely ask for help when something's not working, and sound supernatural while solving travel problems in English. Sound good? Then grab a notebook, or just grab a coffee. And let's begin with hotel breakfast.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, thank you. Very well.
Great to hear. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry today.
Wonderful. What is your room number, please?
302.
One moment. Yes, breakfast is included.
Super, thank you. Is it a buffet?
Yes, it is. It's over there next to the big windows.
What do you have?
We have toast, croissants, cereal, cheese, and fruit. Everything is there.
And drinks?
Of course! Coffee, tea, orange juice, and hot chocolate.
Perfect. Can I take 2 croissants?
Of course. Take as much as you like.
Thank you. Do you have yogurt?
Yes, plain and with fruit. It's in the small fridge.
Great. And are there eggs?
Yes, we have boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
I'll try the scrambled eggs then.
Good choice.
Can I sit where I want?
Yes, all the tables are free.
Then I'll take the table by the window. I like the morning light.
Good idea. The sun is shining today.
Do you have butter?
Yes, right next to the jam and the honey.
Ah, perfect. And if I want more juice?
Just help yourself. The pitcher is over there.
Thank you. What time is breakfast until?
Until 10 a.m., so you still have plenty of time.
Super. This is my first breakfast in the United States.
Then welcome. Do you like it?
Yes, very much. The bread is really delicious.
It's fresh from the bakery this morning.
I can tell.
Phew, that was a delicious conversation, right? Let's look at the key words Anna used, and that you can use too. Buffet. This means you can choose and take your own food. Croissants, scrambled eggs, yogurt, toast. These are common breakfast foods. Which one do you like? Help yourself. This means take what you want. And my favorite phrase, can I sit by the window? It's polite and it sounds natural. Now say it with me. Can I take 2 croissants? Good. Now go say it in real life and take 3.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hello, yes. I have a small problem in my room.
Oh, what's wrong?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is your room number?
307 on the 3rd floor.
Is it very warm in the room?
Yes, very warm. I can't sleep.
I understand. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, many times, but nothing happens.
Is there a light or a sound?
No, nothing at all. It's completely off.
Okay, I'll call our technician right away.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is already in the hotel.
Great, thank you.
When did you notice the problem?
Last night. It wasn't working then either.
Okay, would you like a fan for now?
Oh yes, that would be great.
No problem. I'll bring one to you right away.
Perfect, thank you.
The technician will look at it soon.
Can he fix it?
Yes, hopefully. If not, we will give you a new one tomorrow.
And if it can't be fixed?
Then, of course, we will give you another room.
Thank you, that's very nice.
Of course. We want you to be comfortable.
I see that. Should I wait in the room?
Yes, please stay there. We will come soon.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day, even if it's hot.
Thanks. The fan will help. See you soon.
Uh-oh, no air conditioning? That's a hot problem. Let's break down some useful phrases you can use when something's not working. Air conditioning. That's the machine that keeps the room cool. It isn't working. A polite way to say, "Hey, this thing is broken." Fan. A small machine that blows air to help cool you down. Technician, the person who fixes things. And this is my favorite. Should I wait in the room? Very natural, very polite. Now your turn. Say out loud, "The air conditioning isn't working." Come on, don't be shy.
Hello? Do you work here?
Hello, yes, I'm with baggage services. Do you have a problem?
Yes, I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. Where did you fly from?
From Rome this morning.
And you just arrived in New York.
Exactly, about an hour ago.
Did you wait at the baggage claim?
Yes, but my suitcase never came.
Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What is your name?
Paul Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. What color is your suitcase?
It's black with a small yellow tag.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Is there anything on the tag?
Yes, my name and my phone number.
Perfect. I'll check the computer. One moment, please.
Thank you. I hope it's not gone.
Don't worry. Here it is. Your suitcase is still in Rome.
Oh, so what do I do now?
No problem. It will arrive in New York tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, and we will deliver it directly to your hotel.
Great. I'm staying at the Hotel Sun.
Okay, I'll write Hotel Sun.
Do I have to come back to the airport?
No, we will call you when the suitcase is here.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Do you need anything for tonight?
Yes, I don't even have a toothbrush.
There's a shop over there on the right with everything you need.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Your suitcase is just taking a one-day vacation in Rome.
Yes, it's luckier than I am.
Have a good evening, Mr. Martin, and a great stay in New York.
Thank you. See you soon, hopefully with my suitcase.
Losing your suitcase. That's every traveler's nightmare. But Anna handled it like a pro. Let's look at the useful travel English in this scene. Baggage claim. This is the place where you wait for your suitcase after a flight. Tag. A small label with your name and phone number. Super helpful. Lost suitcase. Not fun, but it happens. Deliver to hotel. Yes, they will bring it to you. And this one's funny. Your suitcase is taking a one-day vacation in Rome. Now you try. Say it out loud. I lost my suitcase. It's black with a yellow tag. Well done. You sound like a world traveler already.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need a taxi.
No problem. For right now?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Where are you going?
To Grand Central Station.
Okay, do you have a train to catch?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
It's 8:45 now. You have time, but there's a lot of traffic today.
Oh no, will I still make it?
Yes, if the taxi comes soon, I'll call right away.
Thank you so much.
You're in room 203, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
Okay, I'll order a large taxi.
Super, thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm going to Chicago to visit my family.
How nice. The taxi will be here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I wait in the lobby?
Of course. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, to the left of the elevator.
Great, I need one now.
Haha, coffee and travel always go together.
True. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, I'll tell the driver.
Great, thanks for everything.
No problem, my pleasure. The taxi is already here.
Really, that was fast.
It's waiting outside in front of the hotel.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good trip and a nice day.
Thanks. You have a nice day too.
Boom, taxi's here, coffee's in hand, and John is off to Chicago. Let's review what you just learned. I need a taxi, simple and direct. Great way to start. Traffic, always check the time, especially in big cities. Luggage means your suitcase, backpack, everything you're carrying. Can I pay with a credit card? Very useful. And my personal favorite, coffee and travel always go together. Now say it with me. I need a taxi to the station. I have one suitcase and a backpack. Great job. Let's do a quick review of everything we learned in this part. All right, my friends, what a day. We had breakfast, fixed the AC, found a lost suitcase, and even caught a taxi. Phew! Let's quickly review the key phrases you learned today. Ready? Breakfast time. You learned buffet, scrambled eggs, help yourself, and can I sit by the window? Room problems. Say, the air conditioning isn't working. Can I get a fan? We'll send a technician. Lost luggage at the airport. Use, my suitcase is black with a yellow tag. It's still in Rome? And will you deliver it to my hotel? Need a ride? Try, I need a taxi to the station. Do you accept credit card? There's a lot of traffic today. All of these phrases are simple, natural, and super useful when you travel. So here's your mission. Leave a comment below and tell me, what would you eat at a hotel breakfast? And if you've ever had a funny travel problem, I want to hear it. If you enjoyed learning with me today, give that like button a high five. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss part 2, where we go shopping, take the bus, eat cake, and exchange money like a boss. And hey, English doesn't have to be hard. Just take it one croissant at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.